Hi, welcome. It's your girl Kiissi again, and I'm in the kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I cook my pork. It's already seasoned yesterday, and I have a video of how I season my pork also, so stay tuned. So over here I have a pot with some oil in it, so I'm going to brown it right now. As you can see now, I'm browning the pork. I'm browning it right now. So what I'm doing now, I'm boiling the pork to get it a little soft. This pork is very tender, so you don't need to boil it too much. So the pork is already boiled, so I'm gonna put in the seasoning in it right now, like my peppers, my onion, my scallion, my thyme. I'm gonna put in right now. So as you can see, I put in my peppers, my seasoning, so I'm gonna let it boil down now to make some gravy, and then I'm gonna put my specialty sauce, my secret sauce in it. So I had some carrots to it. I wanted to put some Irish potato, but I don't have any. When I checked my fridge, I didn't have any, so I put some carrots. So guys, it's boiling down to a gravy. So it's boiling down, and it's spicy too. I didn't realize. I just put one little piece of pepper, and I guess the ginger and the jerk sauce. So that's my stew pork. So it's boiling down right now to make some gravy. Like this, guys, look how saucy my sauce is. I put my secret sauce in, specialty sauce that I made by myself. So there you go. That's how I put my stew pork. The steam, so you can have the steam. So there goes the finishing of my stew pork. Gravy and all that. Gravy and all that. And that's the finishing of my stew pork. And over here, I'm having it with some rice and peas. Make some rice and peas over here. And some lettuce and sweet pepper over here. So guys, I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the finishing touch. So there you go, guys. That's the finishing of my stew pork. So I'm having it with some rice and peas and some vegetable over here, and a glass of beetroot. So that's the finishing of my stew pork. So you guys can like, comment, and share, and hit that notification button to see when I upload a new video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. So it's Kiissi again once more, and that's how I cook my stew pork.